तेलंगाना के चीफ मिनिस्टर रेवंत रेड्डी ने आज हैदराबाद के HICC में बायो एशिया 2025 की इफ्तिताही तकरीब में शिरकत की। इस तकरीब में सनत, इवेंट, अकादमी, हुकूमती इदारों और रेगुलेटरी इदारों के आलमी रहनुमा भी शरीक हैं। इस कॉन्फ्रेंस के जरिए हेल्थ केयर में जिद्दत तराजी की हदूद को आगे बढ़ाने का आज़म जाहिर किया गया है। इसके अलावा बायो फार्मा में पेशरफ्त से लेकर जदीद डिजिटल हेल्थ टेक्नोलॉजीज़ तक का अहाता कॉन्फ्रेंस में किया जा रहा है। इस प्रोग्राम में रियासती वज़ीर सनत श्रीधर बाबू और दीगर ने भी शिरकत की। रेवंत रेड्डी ने खिताब करते हुए कहा कि ये इवेंट हैदराबाद में हेल्थ के शोबे को मज़ीद मुस्तहकम करने में मददगार साबित होगा। उन्होंने कहा कि आज दुनिया भर की बड़ी कंपनियां हैदराबाद का रुख कर रही हैं। रेवंत रेड्डी ने कहा कि हैदराबाद सेहत के मामले में आलमी शनाख्त हासिल कर चुका है।
Bio Asia has helped showcase how Hyderabad has been transformed into a global life sciences capital. The event will help position India as an important player globally in shaping the future of healthcare. Major pharma companies, large healthcare players, life science and biotech companies operate from Hyderabad. Long ago, we had the vision to create a great research institutions that create a culture of innovation and excellence. We invested in higher education and created a vast talent pool of scientists, technologists, domain experts and engineers. We created Genome Valley years ago. I want to transform my state's economy into a $1 trillion in next 10 years. The core urban area will become a service only city and aim for net zero. This is where we are creating Future City, AI City, and many other big projects. Hyderabad is now the EV capital of India, with the highest sales of EV in entire country. I am replacing 3,000 RTC public transport buses with electric vehicles. Outside this core urban area, I wanted to develop one of the world's largest manufacturing hubs. I want to make it my offer to the world for its China plus one need. We will connect these two rings with several radial roads. These will help us create manufacturing clusters for different verticals. As Telangana is a landlocked state,
event hosted by Government of Telangana. As rightly said by the elders on the days when we started this vision 2 decades back, and ultimately evolving ourselves to become a globally recognized platform, wherein we try to get the brightest minds, the most innovative companies, and also the leading scientific institutions from all around the world. I extend my deepest gratitude to all our partners, stakeholders, industry leaders who have played a pivotal role in shaping this very vibrant ecosystem. Your contribution in innovation, research and collaboration have not only strengthened Telangana position, but also advanced the global healthcare